How to cancel an Uber Eats order. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can cancel your Uber Eats order. So make sure to stick around till the very end of this video to know the entire process. So first of all, in order to cancel your Uber Eats order, you have to be very quick, since the cancellation of the product has to be quick, because once your order gets into the preparation, the store manager will definitely gonna charge some amount that has already been invested in making that particular order of yours. So make sure, if you want to cancel your order, make your decision fast and cancel your order as soon as you can. So in order to cancel your order, so just simply go to your browser and here just search for Uber Eats and just click on the first link. And after that, just log into your account or sign up if you haven't have any account. And once you are logged into your Uber Eats, just click on this menu icon at the left, and after that just click on orders. And here on this page you will see the list of the orders that you have made. In order to cancel your order, you just have to click on the particular order that you want to cancel, and after that just click on confirm, and your Uber Eats order will be cancelled. So yeah, so this is how you will be able to cancel your Uber Eats order. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.